roots and branches. They're only trying to hug you, like this.
I'm worried about you, boy. How you talk sometimes is crazy like your father. Oh, crazy but nice.
Oh, I like your carnation. Did Daddy give it to you?
It was Mr. Tillman.
Mr. Tillman?
Lovely man, just lovely. Yesterday I went to his house, down just up the road. Asked him to the telephone, and that man was so nice. Why, he just stayed with us here all afternoon.
He stayed here?
Visited with us here on the porch all the time we were in town. Didn't Sissy tell you?
I got back late. No one was up.
That's right, that's right. Well, Mr. Tillman even stayed for supper. Loved my Mary's chicken. Talked so nice to everybody. Talked to Boogie about all his lectures. Isabel, too, he was so interested in her baby. Sissy showed him her dancing. Grandpa even took her fishing down to Charlie Pond. And he flirted with me.
Did he, Mama?
He most certainly did. But I trimmed his sails, told him I'm a married woman, and that my husband would not approve of the stardust in his eye or the velvet tone of his voice. He was so disappointed.
Was he, Mama?
Heartbroken. But a perfect young man, he even took some pictures to remember us by.
Pictures? What kind of pictures?
Pictures of us, all of us. Boogie, Isabel, lots of me. Friendliest man I've ever seen. All the way from Chicago, too. Can you believe that? Chicago.
What'd you say his name was again?
Mr. Tillman, Mr. Zacharias Tillman. Have you seen your father this morning?
Daddy's in the woods, Mama.
Will you send him inside the minute you see him? I picked his favorite.
Apple
You
pancakes.
send him right in.
I will, Mama.
Slowest man I ever seen. I ever tell you about the wedding? How long it took that man to get up to the altar?
No, Mama.
Preacher Munker fell asleep waiting, snored like a... Will you look at this?
What?
Drops from that tree.
It's just raindrops, Mama.
Teardrops, crying, tears.
It's just rain, Mama, shook off by the wind, that's all.
No, it's not. There is no wind and there's been no rain. Look, there's another one on your cheek. Look at it. It's blue. This one's green. Gold on your shirt. My wig's silver. Silver like your daddy's hair. What did I tell you, Salt? These are tears.
No, Mama.
Don't tell me. Taste one. These are tears. Tears like salt on your daddy's skin. Like Amos.
Here.
Ugh. It tastes bad. Something's wrong, Jugger.
It's just a little overripe today, Mama,
No.
that's all.
Something's wrong. Something bad's gonna happen. Carney's in there yelling about spies, snakes pouring under the porch, tears dropping down from that tree all different colors. Something's wrong, brother. Something bad's gonna happen. Where is that man? Where is he? Amos!
Daddy's coming, Mama.
When?
Soon.
Is he, Jugger? How do I look?
You look beautiful.
My dress, it's not too garish.
He loves this dress, Mama.
Does he? My hair, it's not too...
It's beautiful, Mama.
Got a secret.
A secret?
Don't tell Daddy.
I won't.
Honest truth?
Honest true.
It's all light.
No.
Where does it go? You promised.
Honest true.
It was red when we met. Your father said it was like a flame, color of fire and love. You talk like that? Your daddy?
He loves you, Mom.
Does he talk you still?
He told me this morning before we went off in the woods.
He loves me.
Forever.
Delicious.
Listen, Mama. They invited him to speak to her. Isn't that right, Boogie? Prince. His main thesis, Mama. It's not just a lecture. It's a revolution. He's going to turn the world upside down. Right over his head. Aren't you, Boogie?
Jugger! What is that boy doing?
He's practicing, Mama.
Practicing? That is no way to practice speech. He'll give himself permanent brain damage.
A man is a flower.
Man, dear.
You see, Mama, Boogie doesn't just lecture his thoughts, he lives them. All men are flowers. Women too, Mama. But they're upside down, see? Upside down flowers with their hair rooted in the earth, drinking up the truth. His body is a stem, strong as a tree. And his toes, wiggle your toes, Boogie. Blossoms. Blossoms. Opening up to the sun like jewels, like diamonds. Painting your nose with rainbows and
That is ridiculous. Both of you. How do you talk?
He's a flower, Mama.
Yeah.
All of us. Upside down, but perfect too. And that's Boogie's great mystery. It takes a genius to unravel that mystery, huh, Boogie? A giant.
You see? What did I tell you? Something's wrong with him, Jugger. Something's wrong about this whole thing.
It's all right, Mama. He's a flower. Mama, you want to hear Boogie's new word?
Not now. Gotta get Amos's breakfast.
Enemies of my church, enemies of this beloved nation.
You hear that? He's gone crazy, I tell you. Sissy, Isabel, shut that thing off. What's going on with the whole house?
Don't worry about Carney, Mama.
Maniacs, spies, and devils.
Carney's gone 7 years.
7 years? He's gone 7 years?
Yes, he's got nothing to do with us anymore.